I asked AI to build an AI business for me. Here's what happened. Hey, I'm Thanos, and for the past 2 years, I've been helping businesses grow smarter by using the power of AI. Now, I am giving away all the knowledge and experience I have gained over the years. You will find my website in the description down below. Now let's jump right into the video. What happens when you ask AI to build you an AI business? Not help with one, not brainstorm. I mean, literally give it the reins. The idea, the plan, the product, the marketing. I gave it one prompt, and a few days later, I had a real product on a real platform, getting real traffic. This is what happened when I let AI try to build a business for me. I didn't just want a product, I wanted something people would actually use. And AI came up with this, a downloadable kit that helps beginners get started with AI. Top tools, simple guides, real use cases, and plug and play prompts. A starter kit to help people use AI, not just talk about it. I asked ChatGPT to list the best tools for writing, visuals, automation, and to explain them like I'm 5 years old. Then I had it write 50+ prompts for creators, freelancers, and solopreneurs. For branding, I asked AI for names. It gave me PromptPilot and even a little tagline, navigate the AI universe like a pro. I published everything on Whop, which if you don't know is kind of like Gumroad for the creator economy. Easy setup, clean storefront, done. So I launched it, posted on a few forums, sent it to a couple friends, and absolutely nothing happened. It told me what I already knew. You need traffic. Then it said something wild. Run Facebook ads. I'll be honest, I had no idea how to run Facebook ads. Like, zero clue. So I asked AI to literally walk me through it, step by step. It told me to start simple, create a clean ad image, write one clear headline, target people interested in AI, freelancing, and solopreneurship. I was skeptical, like, is $5 even enough? But AI said, start small, test fast, learn faster. First day, a few clicks, no sales. I almost gave up right there, but AI didn't just say try harder. It diagnosed the problem. I tweaked the ad, changed the image, tightened the headline, adjusted the targeting to just freelancers who like AI tools, and just like that, the first sale. Not a friend, not my mom. A total stranger bought PromptPilot. $9 isn't life-changing, but the feeling, unreal. A real product sold to a real person because of an ad written and optimized by AI. AI didn't magically make me rich. It didn't do all the hard work for me, but it gave me a framework, a playbook, and that's actually way more powerful. It showed me that the biggest bottleneck is usually just getting started. I learned that launching isn't about waiting for perfect ideas. It's about building fast, launching ugly, and iterating. Will PromptPilot make millions? Probably not, but it proved that AI can be your co-founder, your marketing team, your launch buddy, your coach. I don't think this is the future of business. I think it's already here. You just need to know how to ask the right way. If you want to check out the PromptPilot AI Starter Kit, I'm giving it away completely free. Links in the description. Use it, remix it, launch your own thing with it. And if you want to see what happens when I let AI run the business next, comment part 2 down below. Hit that subscribe button and see you at the next video.